Weather. Weather changes every day. Some days are bright and sunny. Some days are cloudy. Some days are rainy. And some days are windy. The condition of air at a place and a particular time is called weather. The weather changes because of the sun, wind, rain, and clouds. Rainy days. Weather is a cool on a rainy day. Rain at proper time and proper amount is good for crops, but too much of rain or untimely rain can cause harm to us. It can cause floods. Floods cause harm to property, crops, and living beings. Moving air is called wind. Gentle wind is called breeze. When the wind blows with speed, it is called a storm. A storm can uproot trees, roofs, and even window panes. Rainy season or monsoon season. It rains the most during monsoon season. Rain brings relief from heat of summer season. It provides water for growing crops. At some places, it leads to flood also. Raincoats, gumboots, and umbrellas are used to keep dry.